GE Current, a Daintree company, combines LED lighting with digital control networks and advanced energy technologies to create more intelligent industrial environments. How do we do it? LED lighting, sensors and controls, energy management, business productivity applications. It all starts with highly efficient, durable LED lighting solutions. With up to 50% reduction in lighting energy, long-rated life, and minimal maintenance requirements, LED lighting provides immediate energy savings while future-proofing your space, making it a smart, low-risk investment. Current offers lighting solutions for all areas of your plant. Whether it is a new construction or retrofit scenario, we have your needs covered. From the exterior of the building in areas including entrances and exits, loading docks, parking lots and stockyards, to the manufacturing and warehousing floors, and even office spaces. You know where lights go, but where can they take you? Everywhere. The permeation of light fixtures throughout the building creates a prime opportunity to deploy an open sensor network that can collect data, provide valuable insights, and further optimize the performance of your facility. Adding sensors and controls from Daintree can provide an additional 20% reduction of lighting energy consumption. Standard lighting controls like motion or occupancy sensing provide additional efficiencies while also extending the life of the fixture. Plus, by better understanding how your space is being used, you can find ways to optimize it. More advanced lighting controls like daylight harvesting or task tuning allow for even greater control and savings. Daylight harvesting is using the sunlight available through windows and skylights to offset the lighting output and energy required by the LED fixtures. Task tuning is the ability to remotely adjust the light output of your LED fixtures, optimizing their efficiency and showcasing their flexibility. Even if production needs change and the plant floor is reconfigured, you can easily adapt the light levels accordingly. You can also place sensors and controls in other assets, like forklift charging stations, conveyor belts, or rooftop HVAC units for additional layers of control. How do you oversee it all? For comprehensive energy management, the Daintree platform brings everything together in an easy-to-use, web-based graphical interface. Monitor energy consumption, task tune your fixtures, and schedule your assets from virtually anywhere. What else does the intelligent environment offer? The open architecture of the Daintree network allows you to easily integrate other third-party sensors and software platforms to complete your IoT journey. From asset tracking and space utilization to HVAC optimization, environmental monitoring, and beyond, the possibilities are abundant and within your control. What can you gain from this partnership? Work with GE Current, a Daintree company, to unite energy and data in your intelligent industrial environment to achieve your goals centered in increased energy efficiency, improved productivity, and enhanced performance measurement.